becoming light in the late evening and overnight. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs around 99 in Sedona, around 105 at Camp Verde. Light winds in the morning becoming south around 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows around 70 in Sedona, around 64 in Camp Verde. Southwest winds around early in the evening becoming light in the late evening and overnight. Saturday, partly cloudy. Highs around 96 in Sedona, around 102 in Camp Verde. Light winds in the morning becoming south 15 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. And now the extended forecast. Sunday, mostly clear. Highs around 96 in Sedona, around 103 in Camp Verde. Lows around 68 in Sedona.